Look in your mirror right now and picture the most elegant woman you know. Her skin glows, her makeup is flawless. Every detail of her face says she takes care of herself. Now imagine her in a turtleneck, in summer, every single day of her life. That's not a style choice. That's a woman quietly hiding something she's never told a soul. Here's a truth almost nobody says out loud, and I'm going to say it to you today with love. You can spend years perfecting your face, and your neck will still tell on you. Every time. It's the one place most of us over 50 forget completely. The place where all our beautiful effort comes to a sudden stop, right at the jawline. And quietly, faithfully, that forgotten neck has been telling the world a story your face has been working so hard to rewrite. Here's why. The skin on your neck is thinner than the skin on your face. It's more delicate, it has far fewer oil glands to keep it soft and protected. And yet we fold it, crease it, expose it to the sun, and ignore it. Every single day without ever once thinking about it. That is exactly why it ages first. Nobody ever sat us down and taught us this. So we go on lavishing our faces with love and leaving the neck right below to fend for itself. But here's the good news, and it's wonderful news. Your neck responds to care faster than almost anything else on your body. And nearly everything aging yours right now is a simple, fixable habit. Today, I'm walking you through the everyday mistakes quietly aging the necks of beautiful Black women over 50, and exactly how to undo every one of them. The last one is the mistake almost every woman gets wrong, even the ones who think they're already doing everything right. When you hear it, it will change the way you care for yourself forever. So settle in, because we're going all the way to the end together. Mistake 1. We stop at the jaw. We cleanse the face. We tone it. We serum it. We moisturize it like it's precious, because it is. And then we stop, sharply, right at the jawline, as if the neck below belonged to someone else entirely. Think about how strange that really is. Your neck and your chest live in the very same light as your face. Everyone who looks at you sees all of it at once. And yet we pour everything onto the top and leave the rest bare, year after year. Of course it ages faster. We've been starving it of attention its whole life. The fix costs you nothing extra. Tonight, whatever you put on your face, just keep going. Sweep your cleanser down over your neck. Carry your serum and your moisturizer down past the jaw and onto the chest, always in gentle upward strokes. Your neck doesn't need its own expensive products. It needs to be included in the love you're already giving. This one change, done faithfully, will do more than any cream used once in a while. Your jawline was never meant to be a finish line. Mistake 2, tech neck. This one didn't exist when our mothers were our age. All day we look down, at our phones, our books, our tablets, and every time we drop our chin, we fold the delicate skin of the neck like a crease in paper. Do it once, it springs back. Do it for years, and that fold sets in. The same way a paper creased in the same place eventually holds the line forever. Those deep horizontal rings we blame on age are very often not about age at all. They're about angle. So here's the fix, and it's completely free. Lift your phone up to your eyes instead of dropping your eyes down to your phone. Keep your chin level, your neck long. And every so often, tilt your head back gently and look up at the ceiling to stretch out what you've been folding all day. Your grandmother never had a screen to bow her head over. This is a modern problem, and it deserves a modern fix. Stop looking down, sis, and start holding that beautiful head up high in every sense of the word. Mistake 3, forgetting sun protection. We've finally learned to put sunscreen on our faces, but the neck, the chest? Left bare, soaking up sun through every car window, every walk, every warm afternoon, year after year. That slow, invisible exposure does more damage than a single day at the beach ever could. And let me lay this myth to rest one more time, because I know some of you were raised on it. Our melanin is a gift, but it doesn't stop deeper damage. And it doesn't stop the dark, uneven patches and loss of firmness that melanin-rich skin is actually more prone to. On the thin skin of the neck and chest, sun damage shows up as exactly the crepiness, the sagging, and the dark blotches we're all trying to avoid. The fix is the same one already on your face. Every morning after your moisturizer, carry your SPF 30 down over your neck and onto your chest. Find one that blends beautifully on deep skin, and make it automatic. It's the single most powerful thing you can do, and it costs 3 extra seconds. Before we keep going, if this is opening your eyes a little, I'd love for you to subscribe and stay close. I make these for women exactly like you, every single week. Mistake 4, scrubbing at darkness. Now let's talk about something so many of us quietly worry about and rarely say out loud. That stubborn darkening around the neck. And here's the painful part. The way most of us respond to it is exactly what makes it worse. We scrub. We attack it with rough cloths and gritty exfoliators, desperate to rub the darkness away. All that does is irritate the skin and deepen the very problem we're fighting. So please, be gentle with yourself here. That darkness doesn't come off with force. Look for gentle vitamin C, niacinamide, ingredients made to even tone slowly and softly over time. Cleanse gently, moisturize faithfully, protect from the sun, give it the weeks it actually needs. Gentleness and consistency fade what scrubbing only deepens. And one thing I'd be doing you a disservice not to mention, woman to woman. If that darkening appears suddenly, or feels velvety or thickened, please mention it to your doctor. Occasionally that particular kind of darkening is your body's quiet way of flagging something worth a simple check. There's no shame in that, only wisdom. Your body whispers long before it shouts. Set the harsh scrub down. Your neck was never asking to be punished. It was only asking to be treated gently and given time. Mistake 5. What you sleep on. This one happens while you're fast asleep, completely unaware, for 7 or 8 hours a night. When you sleep on your side or stomach against rough cotton, your neck and chest fold and press into that fabric for hours. Just like tech neck, those nightly folds, repeated over years, slowly become permanent lines, especially those vertical creases down the chest that so many women can't trace back to anything. The fix is simple, and it works while you do absolutely nothing. First, switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. It glides instead of creasing, keeps your skin's moisture in, and it's kinder to your hair, too. One small purchase that serves you for years. Second, if your body allows it, try sleeping on your back. Your neck and chest lie open and smooth, free to rest and repair instead of folding for hours. It's the rare beauty treatment that asks nothing of you but rest. Mistake 6. Treating the neck like the face. And here it is, the one almost everyone gets wrong, even women who finally remember to care for their necks at all. We use the same products, the same amount, and assume that's enough. But the neck is not the face, and treating it like one quietly fails it. Remember, your neck has far fewer oil glands, so it can't hold on to moisture the way your face does, and it thins and crepes faster. It doesn't need the same care. It needs more, richer cream, applied more generously, more often. The light lotion that's plenty for your face will leave your neck thirsty. And here's the part almost everyone does backwards. Direction. We rub downward, dragging skin that's already prone to sagging even further down. Always move upward instead, sweeping from the chest toward the jaw, the opposite of where gravity is already pulling you. A few minutes of gentle upward massage with a rich cream boosts circulation, eases puffiness, and over time, helps lift and firm. You'll feel the difference under your own fingertips within a couple of weeks. Mistake 7. Starting and stopping. This last one is about leaving the job half done. Caring for your neck for a week when inspiration strikes, then forgetting it again. Your neck rewards consistency and punishes the on-again, off-again more than almost anywhere else on your body. So let's finish this properly. Once you're moisturizing and protecting faithfully, you can gently add the proven helpers. A gentle retinol or peptide cream, introduced slowly, a pea-sized amount 2 or 3 nights a week to start, helps rebuild firmness and smooth texture. Keep drinking your water, because plump skin really does begin from within. And don't forget the simple power of how you frame it all. A beautiful scarf, an elegant neckline, a statement necklace that draws the eye exactly where you want it, while your faithful care does its quiet work underneath. Elegance has always been part patience, part presentation. Now do yourself one small kindness. Save this video so tonight and every night you can move gently through these steps and finally give your neck the care it's been waiting your whole life to receive. You've spent decades caring for that beautiful face. Your neck has been right there the whole time, holding your head high through all of it, asking for so little. It has earned this. Tonight is a beautiful night to finally include it. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me honestly, were you guilty of stopping at the jaw, like so many of us have for years? Which of these surprised you the most? Share it below, because your honesty might be exactly what the next woman needs to read. And if this opened your eyes today, stay close, subscribe, and join the timeless melanated family. I've got another secret waiting for you next week. Until then, hold your head high, care for that lovely neck, and carry yourself like the treasure you have always been.